দেখেন বাংলাদেশের খবর।
The internet has been cut across Bangladesh and trying to quell those demonstrations. That's the
বাংলাদেশের
intent.
সম্পূর্ণ
And the
খবর।
quota is designed for family members of soldiers who fought during the nation's independence war in 1971. And this system also reserves jobs for women and ethnic minorities.
The situation has already been worsened in many parts of the country, and there are huge clashes at many parts of the country, including capital Dhaka, and the death toll might be increased. And already we have been informed about several other casualties in some other parts, but I have to wait a little bit to be confirmed from reliable sources. And there is information that Education Minister and Law Minister are trying to talk with the students.